just a quick update at North Park Road. This is the one with the tenants, long-term tenants have left, and the team is doing a refurb for a landlord client. Okay, so the second fix electrics has been started. Doesn't look like it's been done, but apparently it's just left, so I'm guessing they'll come back and finish it off. The weather isn't great today. It's unfortunately not a lot of natural light, which means you can't really see a lot. Plastering's been done. Once the second fix has been done, then everything will be painted, and it should be relatively. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It should be relatively straightforward on that. The ceiling's been repaired. The cupboard's been repainted. Doors are fine. Master bedroom. Walls are being repaired and everything's been repainted. It's quite tidy site. This is the bathroom. So bathroom, we're just going to make good. We're just going to keep everything as it is. Redo the mastic. Make sure everything works. Make sure everything's presentable, nice and tidy. And that should be it. That's the new smoke detector. So heat detector.